A line which joins the points A, 3k, and B, -2, 5, is parallel to another line whose equation is 5y plus 2x is equal to 10. Find the value of k. So we can draw a sketch like this one here. So the line is the equation of the line is 5y plus 2x is equal to 10. A line which joins the points. The other line is A, 3k. So these are the points A, 3k. A line which joins the points A, 3k, and B, -2, 5. So B is -2, 5 here, is parallel to another line, this line, whose equation is 5y plus 2x is equal to 10. Find the value of k. How can we find the value of k? So in solving this problem, we are going to use some facts. And the first one is that parallel lines have equal gradients. Equal gradients. That is parallel lines. And the other fact we are going to use is that we are going to use a linear equation formula for a straight line. That is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient. M is the gradient. And also we are going to use another fact. That is we are going to use the method of finding gradient. Gradient is change in y axis. Gradient is change in y coordinates. Gradient is change in y coordinates. Change in y coordinates. Change in y coordinates over corresponding change in x coordinates. So we are going to use these facts in solving this problem. Now we can solve this equation of this line here. This line is parallel to this line. This is 90 degrees. So we can say that 5y plus 2x is equal to 10. 5y is equal to -2x plus 10. We can divide here by 5, we can divide here by 5, we can divide here by 5. Y is equal to -2 over 5 plus 2. 5 goes here 2 plus 2. So this is -2 over 5x. So our gradient here is gradient m here. Y is equal to -2 over 5 times x plus 2. Our gradient here is -2 over 5. The gradient is -2 over 5, and the gradients of parallel lines are always equal. So it means that the gradient of this other line here, the gradient of this line is equal to the gradient of this line. We have found the gradient of this line to be negative 2 over 5. It means that the gradient of this line also is negative 2 over 5. So now we want to find k. Find the value of k. So now we can get the gradient of this other line. We can write an equation to find the gradient of this other line. So we can say that, okay, this is y, this is y, this is x, this is y, this is x. So we can subtract k minus 5 is equal to 5 minus 2. We are using the formula for finding the gradient, whereby gradient is change in y coordinates over corresponding change in x coordinates. So it is k minus 5 over k minus 5 over 3 minus 2. This is 3 over 3 minus 2, which is giving us k minus 5 over 3 plus 2, which is giving us k minus 5 over 5. So now we can say that k minus 5 over 5 is equal to negative 2 over 5. This is the gradient of this line. So now we can cross multiply 5 into k minus 5 is equal to minus 2 times 5k minus 25. 5k minus 25 is equal to negative 10. 5k is equal to minus 10 plus 25. K is equal to minus 10 plus 25. 5k is equal to 15. 5k is equal to 15. We can divide by 5, we can divide by 5. K is equal to 3. K is equal to 3. So the value of k is 3. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.